Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both phones so the pairing succeeds. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, open Panda Mouse Pro on each device, and sign into the same account or note the pairing code. Once done, select Pair as Controller on the primary phone and Pair as Host on the secondary. This directs device roles and prevents conflicts. Make sure permissions for location and local network are granted, because the app uses those to discover and negotiate a stable peer connection. Next, establish the secure pairing so input relays correctly. Use the QR scanner or enter the 6-digit code shown on the host. You must complete this within the timeout window, so act promptly. Once paired, accept prompts for input control and overlay on both phones. These allow one device to send mouse events and the other to receive them. Then test a quick cursor move and click to verify latency and accuracy, adjusting Wi-Fi channel or moving closer if jitter appears. Finish by fine-tuning the experience and securing stability. Set pointer sensitivity and lock orientation to prevent accidental rotation. Save the profile so settings persist. If the connection drops, first toggle Bluetooth and rejoin the session. If intermittent issues continue, unpair and perform a fresh pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both phones if discovery fails after retries. That clears stuck Bluetooth stacks and background services, and usually restores the only reliable path for Panda Mouse Pro with 2 mobiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.